Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to P&N Bank online banking account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in pnbank.com.au. After you come across this official page, click on the login option in the top section of your screen. Now in this page, you'll have to enter your member number associated with your account and your valid password. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on reset your password link. After entering your details, click on the login button to proceed. And that is how you can sign in to P&N Bank online banking account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.